Everyone, welcome to Py4U. Today, let us discuss about two modes in Python, that is script mode and another one is interrupter mode. So here it is, interrupter mode. So in interrupter mode, we can get answers in the next line immediately. Say for example, 2 plus 3. So when I click enter, the result will be showing on the next immediate line. See, it's 5. Now when I do this in script mode, say for example 2 plus 3, when I execute this, how to execute the script mode? It's so simple, you need to just press F5, that is function key 5. So it's asking for the change in the code. Yeah, we have definitely changed that. So then press enter, it has executed. Then one more thing, when you want to make changes in the script mode, definitely you need to use the print statement. So this print function helps you to see the output in the interrupter screen. Once again I have made a change. Yes, it's showing that right output. So in the interrupter mode you cannot get the answers for long. You can get the answers immediately at an instance, but in script mode it will be processed at once and then all the outputs are printed on the interrupter screen. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.